Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Disconnect external drives and non-essential USB devices to avoid driver conflicts. Once done, force 3 shutdowns during boot to invoke automatic repair or boot from a Windows 10 USB you prepared on another PC. Make sure to note whether you reach UEFI, automatic repair, or the boot options menu. This lets you access safe mode, system restore, or command prompt, tools you'll use next to identify the cause of the restart loop and apply fixes. You now diagnose the problem. Boot into safe mode via Troubleshoot Advanced Options Startup Settings. Run sfc/scano followed by dism restore health to repair system files, because corrupted files often force reboots. If you installed updates or drivers recently, use system restore or uninstall the last update to revert to a stable state. Check Event Viewer for kernel power or BSOD entries to pinpoint failing drivers. If a device driver is implicated, uninstall it and block its update. To finish, repair boot records from command prompt. Run bootrec/fixember/fixboot and /rebuild to fix corrupted boot configuration. If startup repairs fail, reset the PC keeping files or perform a clean install as a last resort. Make sure to back up data before wiping. If the loop continues, test hardware. Run memtest86 for RAM and the manufacturer's tool for HDD/SSD health, because failing hardware can mimic software loops. If you get stuck, note specific error codes and test one change at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.